Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a regular process video where I am going to use a sketch that I found on Christy's 30 Days of Sketches. It was done in March of this past year, so I will link it up above, right about here. You'll see it on my screen, and I'll have it up for a good minute. So I am going to wrap up using this kit from the August kit, Flavors of the Month, and it's going to be the Simple Stories Let's Go, and it's going to be Let's Go to the Backyard, because we did a lot of this while Josh was deployed. This is like one of the last few photos that we had back home when we were stationed on Fort Gordon. And so I'm going to use this collection, and we are going to see how this turns out. Okay, so I went and did some digging, and I found out that this was March of 2011 sketch. So that was like series 8 or 9 for Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life when she does her 30 Days of Sketches. So while I've already told you guys that I'm using the scrap room, I just wanted to clarify where I got this sketch from, and I'll link her group down below. And we just wrapped up the 30 Days of Sketches for the month of October, which is her 10th series on this. And she just finished up 10 years of being on YouTube, like in the crafty industry, YouTube industry, with having, I think, 5,000 subscribers now at this point. And so I was like, I couldn't go back and, I could have. I missed the mark on her hop, so I really wanted to still do something for Christy and give her all of the props and love and all of that stuff, because I really love working with her. I've been on design teams with her. She does this. She reaches out to see if I want to do a sketch for this, and y'all know that I love sketches, and I've done quite a bit of stuff for her, and then just me in general of what I love to do and all of that. So congratulations, Christy. I know I'm late, but it's still the point. I wanted to get that part out of the way and just show, hey, you know what, I love doing this, and I love doing all of that fun stuff with her and her reaching out. And then that's a huge accomplishment, because here in November here, when this goes up, I am set on my 6th year on YouTube. So I totally get where she's coming from. 6 years of YouTube and channels. This is my 6th year anniversary, and I just, like I said, I love doing all of this. I love doing everything, YouTube, showing all my love, showing just everything in general. So here I am. I'm just getting all of my photos laid out and ready to go and backed and all of that fun stuff. I am just making sure that everything is lined up to kind of where I want. Now, they have photos going up and down, and I made mine, instead of them being vertical, I did mine horizontal, but I make it all work out anyway. And I know I don't have all the big splatters and all that fun stuff, but essentially I am just making everything go. And I did miss a big part of this. I didn't even realize I didn't hit my airplane mode on my phone, and I had a phone call, didn't even realize I was getting a phone call, and I missed all of my embellishment. So here's my embellishments, and then I'm back in doing my my journaling on these little journaling things from Close to My Heart. I absolutely love these things. It's getting me to do more journaling on my pages. And then essentially this is pretty much it. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you go check out Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. She's fantastic as well. I just love everything about her. Congratulations, about 10 years, all of that. I am rounding out with Sunset Strip from Shimmer's Paints, and the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.